Hello everyone, I am Priyanshu Singh, 20BCE1397, and I am very excited about today's review. So, before getting into the contents of today's review, the member of this project is myself. So, let's start with the contents. These are the contents that we are going to see in the upcoming slides. These are the introduction, the purpose and scope of this project, the product perspective and features of this project, the functional and non-functional requirements of this project, the operating environment, and the tools required to make this project. So let's start with the introduction. Now, the physical fitness is a general state of health and well-being, and more specifically, the ability to perform aspects of sports, occupation, and daily activities. Physical fitness is generally achieved through a proper nutrition, moderate vigorous physical exercise, physical activity, and a sufficient rest. Now, let's start with the purpose of this project. So, my aim to build this app is to override the problem prevailing in practicing the manual system. This app will provide a system which will be used in maintaining the health. My aim is to engage the users' interest more on fitness rather than sitting idle. During this lockdown, it will help people in maintaining their health as well as their immune system. It will take care of all their fitness, and also it will keep data of every data's gym exercises. This app is being created for those who exercise on regular basis and also who keep notes in their progression. Thus, this app will allow the user to concentrate more on their exercise. Now, let's see the scope of this project. This app is mainly made for those who plan to lose or gain weight and require a planned medium for the same. The user can easily get the list of all exercises, and also this app will have the complete details for some particular exercises. This app aims to offer a social environment for the people interested in health and fitness. Further, this app will keep a track of the workouts and the diets maintained by the user and give them a score to access his discipline. Now let's discuss the product's perspective. The first question will be arise that why this app is needed. So let's discuss about it first. So to make the lifestyle of the peoples more active, since we know that the people have developed a very passive lifestyle during this lockdown. Also, to make people motivated about their health and the fitness, and also to make people monitor their progress and the diet plan. Thus, it will help the user in the following ways. It will help the user to make and manage their diet plan as per the user's requirement. It will also keep a track of their daily exercises. It will keep them aware about each procedure of exercise that needs to be done in the right way. Now, let's discuss about the product's features. Now, we have some following features in this app. This app will have the list of exercises so that the user can have the knowledge about how to start the exercise in a right particular manner. This app will allow the user to separate the exercise plans according to their requirements. This app will keep the track of the calories that the user had burned during the exercise so as to give them a good progress. Also, this app will have a score test so as to measure their fitness levels. The main important thing is that this app will also work in offline or low data mode. So, let's discuss about its functional requirements. The first and the foremost functional requirement is that this application will record the exercises and the repetitions. It means that this will have a calendar layout in which the user will be able to click on a specific day where they will be able to access an exercise and fill how many repetitions with a certain weight they accomplished that day. The second functional requirement is that this app will have an overview to see the improvement that they have made. It means that the user will be able to check the overview button on an exercise and they will see their previous performance for that exercise. Now, the last functional requirement is that the application will be able to work in offline or the low data mode. Since the network availability is not available in many scenarios, app will also be working during the offline or the low data mode. Now let's discuss about its non-functional requirements. Now the first non-functional requirement is the portability. Since this application will be written on Android Studio, this application will run only on Android devices that are the version 6 or higher. Talking about its reliability, the system should be extremely reliable and approximation will up to the time of 99%. In the case of any crash or any error, the system should inform the users of any problems and gracefully terminate them. The third non-functional requirement is the application will be very user-friendly and easy to use. The graphical user interface will make their function very clear and the navigation around the application will be very straightforward. Now, talking about the speed of this application will open and will be ready to use within the 10 seconds of being selected. The UI will be very quick and smooth and with no delays between the button press and the screen reaction. Now, the last functional requirement is the size. The size of the software in relation to the storage media will be less than 200 MB. Now, let's discuss about its operating environment. Now, this app will be developed on Android Studio, and the operating system will be the Windows 10. This project will also require a virtual Android device to run and test the app on the computer, so as to provide any necessary changes. Now, the tools required to make this project will be the Android Studio, and the language which will be used to make this project will be Java or JavaScript. So that's all for this review. Thank you.